In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D shapes on PowerPoint. Creating 3D shapes in PowerPoint can transform a standard presentation into a visually engaging and sophisticated showcase. Whether you're aiming to impress in a business setting or add flair to a personal project, mastering the art of 3D shapes is a useful skill. So, let's dive right in and discover how to bring your slides to the next level. First off, let's start with the basics. You'll need to have Microsoft PowerPoint open. So if you haven't already, go ahead and launch the program. Upon opening PowerPoint, you will be greeted with the opening screen. This is your gateway to creativity. If you're working on an existing project, this is the time to open your file. Simply locate your presentation from the list of recent documents or use the open menu to navigate to where you've saved your work. Once your file is open and you're ready to add some three-dimensional flair, the next step is to navigate to the Insert tab. You'll find this option at the top of your PowerPoint window. The Insert tab is like the Swiss Army knife of PowerPoint. It's where you can add all sorts of content to your slides, including the shapes we're about to explore. Now that you're in the Insert menu, look for the Shapes button. This will open a drop-down menu filled with all kinds of shape options, from rectangles and circles to more complex shapes like stars and banners. Now, the fun part begins. Take a moment to explore the variety of shapes available. Keep in mind the visual impact you want to achieve with your 3D shape as you make your selection. After you've eyed a shape that fits your vision, go ahead and click on it. You're now ready to add this shape to your slide. Simply move your cursor back to your slide, and then click and drag to draw the shape. You can adjust its size right away by dragging the corners if needed. Once your shape is on the slide, it's time to give it some life. Navigate to the Shape Format tab. This section provides you with tools to customize and style your shape, but we're here for something more dimensional. Look for the Shape Effects button. Clicking on it will reveal a myriad of effect options, but for our 3D adventure, hover over or click on 3D Rotation. Here you'll be presented with several 3D rotation options. These presets offer a glimpse of how your shape will look from different angles. It's a playground of perspective. Experiment with these options. Rotate your shape this way and that until you find a 3D appearance that leaps off the slide. Sometimes the perfect angle makes all the difference between flat and fabulous. Once you're satisfied with your 3D rotation, you may still want to tweak its appearance. This is where selecting your 3D version comes into play. Adjustments can be subtle or drastic depending on what you're aiming for. Feel free to play around, change angles, depth, and even shadow effects until your shape perfectly captures the effect you're going for. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed a simple shape into a 3D masterpiece, ready to impress and engage your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with PowerPoint's 3D features, the more proficient you'll become at adding depth and drama to your presentations. But why stop there? Consider how you can integrate these 3D shapes with other elements of your presentation for a cohesive and captivating experience. Pair them with engaging narratives, compelling data, or striking images. The possibilities are truly endless. Thank you for joining me in exploring the world of 3D shapes in PowerPoint today. Whether you're preparing for a critical business presentation or looking to add some pizzazz to a personal project, the skills you've learned today will serve you well. Happy creating! And until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of your PowerPoint presentations to new dimensions.